Welcome to the Hi Fi Mechanics LP12 tips. Tip 7 of 25. Cleaning the felt mat. The Linn felt mat is quite delicate and can be distorted if not cleaned with care. To remove dust and debris, remove the mat from the deck and place it on a clean, flat surface. Use a wide adhesive tape if available. If not, regular thin tape will also be fine. It just takes longer. Starting from one end, apply the tape. Press down and then remove. You can reuse the same piece of tape a few times. Remember to overlap so you cover the entire area. After 3 times, replace the tape with a fresh strip. If the mat is particularly dirty, you can repeat the process after rotating the mat by 45 degrees. Avoid using tape that is too Hi-Tac, such as gaffer tape, as you can bend the shape of the mat as you fight a losing battle to separate the two from each other. Packing tape, 3M and sellotape are best. You can also use a lint roller, but only the foam version, not the sticky tape type, as this may be too aggressive. Don't beat or shake the mat like a rug. This will distort the shape. Don't be tempted to use a vacuum cleaner either. Again, this will distort the shape.